Hey, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the not eligible for TikTok account issue. So normally on TikTok in the United States, you need 13 years old to be 13 years old to register. So when you sign up, you gotta write your birth date. If you wrote a birth date that is 13 years or younger, you won't work. But maybe you can use a parent or whatever to sign up for you or change the birth date, but even then, now it's stuck and it doesn't let you create a TikTok account. So here's how you can fix it. The first way is clicking on the Me button, then the three dots on TikTok, going over to clear cache and clearing your cache. So this is a way to reset some of your settings. But if that doesn't work for you, you can go on the settings, go over to general. From general, you want to go to iPhone storage, and when it loads up, you want to find Instagram and click offload app. No, I mean, you want to find TikTok and click offload app. When you do that, basically all the settings of the app will be reset and you can sign up from scratch. If this video helped you out, give it a like. See you in the next one.